Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create time scroll effect on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project. So I'm going to click on video and then select new, and then you can add a video you want to edit using InShot. For example, I'm going to select this video. Okay, I have just downloaded this video from the internet guys, and I'm going to use this video to create time scroll effect. Actually, you can use your own video like this. You can record a video of yourself scrolling your phone. And wait, I'm just going to change the canvas to 16 by 9. Okay, and this is the original video guys, and I'm going to add time scroll effect to this video. We can go to the PIP, okay, and then go to the InShot material, and you're going to go to the intro, and you can add this intro to your project. Don't forget to download it first, and make sure you have good internet connection to download this footage for your video. Okay, and you can zoom in or zoom out like this, and you can place this video on any part that you want. I'm just going to place it right here, and then I'm going to blend this video to my original video. So we can go to the blend menu, okay, and you can choose the best blending mode for the time scroll effect. And I think I'm gonna go with this one guys, the screen mode, and we can adjust the opacity, but I'm just going to leave it like that. Okay, and then this is the final result. Okay, as you can see guys, that the time scroll effect has been added to this project. Okay, and I think I just need to cut the video. Okay guys, and if you want, you can add other effects to your video. You can add filter or maybe adjustment to make it more captivating. And once you're done, you can click on export to save this video to your device. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create time scroll effect using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!